Is black a good color for a car? Are black cars really that bad? Do black cars really get hotter? Let's figure out. Black color is one of the most popular color for cars around the world. It is a popular choice for some of the most luxurious motors as it associated with power, ambition, and wealth. Just think how many Rolls-Royce cars and limos are black. Car manufacturers love to capitalize on the popularity of black cars by bringing out special black and night editions of models, as they know they will sell. The problem with black cars is they can be quite seductive to buyers. So to help you make a decision with your head and not your heart, here are some reasons not to choose a black when you buy. It can be challenging to keep it clean. Black paint is beautiful, but it's the absolute worst to keep looking clean. Your black car will look sexy for 60 seconds after your meticulous hand wash, and then it will go back to looking manky. No matter what you do to protect your car, the dust will just keep coming and the birds will just keep circling. It may make you cry. Black cars seem to attract more dust and bird poop than any other color. Dust, dirt, mud, water spots stick to black paint like glue. Black is the worst color to keep clean. Fading and heating. The sun's harsh UV rays affect the pigment in car paint and can slowly break it down and cause it to oxidize. Over time, the paint will become visibly dull, rough, and may even flake off in patches in more extreme cases. Black paint will absorb more of the heat from the sun and lighter paint colors will reflect it. This means that when parked in similar conditions, the cabin of a black-colored car will heat up faster and get hotter. It can be a big, moving oven. Not only will drivers have to wait longer for a car in a darker shade to cool down, but it will also take more energy and fuel for the cooling system to cool the cabin, resulting in less efficiency. While the differences are somewhat minor, it could be something to consider before purchasing, especially if you live somewhere particularly sunny and warm. It is prone to accidents. Black paint is the most dangerous car color. Researchers in a few different studies have found that black cars have a much higher accident rate than cars of any other color. The report claimed that white is the safest color for a vehicle and black the most dangerous. Although it's one of the most popular car colors, black is the most dangerous car color of all. That's because black cars are very hard to see at night, and they blend in with the black surfaces of most roads. So thanks for watching, see you all next time.